Damn, this does look amazing. We'll get to this shit box later. What do you think? Everybody loves the shit on this. Everybody loves the shit on you.
It's because of the owner. That's what it is.
This is true.
SR20 DETs are better than KAs.
Hey, creepy. Hey, creepy.
Smells
hey,
the
creepy.
same and everything.
So you're really going to start it with the Leaning Tower of Vibrant boxes?
Let's get ready to fumble.
Welcome back. Oh, you got the old John on here. Damn, that's how old this is.
I put that on
When you blew the diff.
Oh,
Oh, you can't even
don't
move
do it. Look at it. Was that the day?
I put this on in Helen, in Georgia.
Dang.
That's I was drunk, so that's why it's not fucking straight.
You're not straight.
This is the original creepy.
Hey girl, this is the original
This is
creepy.
the original creepy. This is.
You ain't lying. All right, let's see. Hey, tell me you painted this. Tell me you painted the engine bay.
Fuck no. I don't say that.
That's not bad. No. You did good.
Jose's like,
You
you're
cleaned
gonna
it.
paint that? I'm like,
That shit was like this. The whole thing was like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. That's what I'm like, when I take this off, I'll make sure. The only bad part I got like over there, but I couldn't get that clean.
That looks good.
You can buy acetone this and get this grime off.
Well, it's this. Remember, this is that matte finish shit. So like, you know, the majority of good stuff was like cleaning like all this out.
Fuck is this bullshit? Oh.
That was like once you did yours, I was like, I gotta get mine. Was,
Yeah, it
like,
makes a
I
huge
did it, I
difference.
was like, yeah, like,
It does.
I'll cut the,
Oh, man, this
I'll
is-
cut the whatchamacallit out, the battery tray. I do need a battery, so we gotta get that. But we have the pillar pod. I gotta see if I find the original one though. Remember when we had the two, the AEM gauge and the fuel failsafe? That's what I'm saying, but it was put in there. So
You guys sound like an old married couple.
Yeah, it was put in there because I didn't have the.
Tiger got the COPD going. Mint.
The original smell.
Damn, this dash ain't cracked yet. Oh yeah, yeah it is.
Hey, creepy. Hey, creepy.
Smells
Hey,
the same
creepy.
and everything.
This is for Lois.
We're just putting restrictors in, making sure that they're just below the back.
You're twisting your hips. Twisting your hips when you do it. And your Latino is coming out.
No.
Yeah. Little salsa. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Little merengue.
Yours was this pretty at one time?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
It still is.
My trans.
You don't get to see it.
It
that's what I'm
looks
saying.
pretty.
It's just-
It just sounds like shit.
you don't get to see it.
Oh my god, you have the same trans as me? You have the same trans as me?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Oh yeah, be prepared to fucking blow right through it.
You about to put this one in Kristen's car. Nah, you're not giving me Kristen's fucking whining. No, sir. Reason number 2 I don't want to make 900 words about.
So China billet.
I told him that SRs are better than KA.
You wanna say that louder?
That's so pissed.
You wanna say that again?
SR20 DETs are better than KAs.
Oh, your Bobby got bad?
He was upset. I said, why? Did SR hurt you back in the day? He said, he had 4 of them. Damn, because you kept on bugging him up.
That's Bobby. That's why.
Looks like it's leaking. It's hard to see. You can see here. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I was like, how's there a leak? Hasn't even run yet. And it's getting ready to do full exhaust. Hot and cold side, intercooler piping, and some other goodies for Luis, for Lois. So you can hear him grinding away. He's over here doing his thing. His little pies. See how it turns out. Sure, it'll be fabulous. Fabulous.
Like the whole thing.
Just so you have some appearances in the videos. I feel like you never do.
Like, I'm just like intently like deburring
I
that.
got you deburring with your mask on.
Yeah.
Mask on. Mask off. No. Or we'll all get the flu. No. It's just hella close.
Right.
It's that cunt hair flush.
Yeah.
I mean, that's like... But I'm interested to see. I don't know why it reminds me of a spaceship.
Oh fuck, you still in again?
Yeah. Are you ready for your first start?
Yeah, we'll see.
You have to fix
Oh,
this.
she has
You
all
have to
the
fix these
pressures.
little problems, like, you know, upside down.
I hope for
Logo.
more than 20 pounds of oil pressure and, you know, pray to the RB guys.
What kind of fuel pump now? I don't even know.
Single Hellcat, same one.
Oh, just
Until
one.
Yep, until we run the...
But you had to get this big turbo just in case.
Just in case.
Yeah, okay.
You upgrade you always leave yourself a limit.
Uh-huh.
And now I'm going to go past that limit anyway, so what's the point of the limit?
Are we only doing pump gas at first?
Yeah. Yeah, good old 93.
We'll see how long that takes. We'll see how long that lasts when
Well,
you're the
awesome.
stinkiest
Yeah.
one at the meet. I hate driving the car on pump gas right now, man. I hate it. It smells.
I feel broke.
I do feel broke,
I feel
too.
broke.
That $14 drum fucking
that's what I was
ethanol.
telling my boy Matt earlier. He doesn't know shit about cars.
It's only when you tune it.
He
but-
was like, yeah. He was like, you ain't putting that $11 gallon shit in there again. I was like, not today.
I cannot believe that Egger is the one that painted the oil pan that with POR like that. Luis, I'm sorry.
Oh, Senor Labor.
And instead
That's why
that
Jose
was-
was trying to call my neck. I was like, no, sir. I haven't trusted him. Which
Yeah.
is also a plus. Right?
Setting Luis up with the Linky G4X Fury.
You know it.
Was it plug and play?
I mean, it is
Legit
right now.
plug and play.
Thanks to Wiring Specialties.
Thanks, Wiring Specialties. For the win. So tell everybody why you painted the oil pan with a POR.
You just needed something on there.
Yeah, who? It's the poor man's powder coat.
Facts.
So you're really going to start it with the Leaning Tower of Vibrant boxes?
Yeah, we're back with Mama Bicho Tuning, installing a Mega Squirt ECU on our poor man's GTR.
mil gate.
there's no way that's
What wastegate? What spring?
40, it's a 45 mil gate with 14-pound spring.
With a what spring? Sorry.
14-pound spring with a 45 mil gate.
And you said it needs a bigger gate?
Yeah, I knew this was gonna be it. I knew this was gonna happen.
That man screaming.
How many pounds of boost? 25? How many did you allocate? I'll pump.
It's still a pump, right?
Yeah, respectfully, fuck you.
Building boost. Like usual.
Yikes.